Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today we're going to be making a classic New Year's dish. We're going to have, today I'm having smoked sausage and sauerkraut. Normally you have pork and sauerkraut, so smoked sausage fits in that category. And I'm making some instant mashed potatoes to go with it. I want to thank all of you that watched the premiere with me last night. And remember I said that I was going to be in bed long before midnight? Well, I ended up staying up until after 3 o'clock this morning because the way that video ended, it just bothered me because I knew there was so much more to that video. Well, I finally figured out what happened. The storage on my phone, which is what I record the videos on, ran out of storage. So it stopped the recording. And even though, because like I thought I paused it while the pigs in the blanket were cooking, and actually we sit for, I think, 5 minutes and watched nothing other than staring at the adorbs I already had. So, even though when I came back and I hit the record button and it said recording, it automatically wasn't recording. And the same thing when we went in the living room. I hit the record button, it said it was recording, but it wasn't. So that's what happened to the end of that video. So come on, let's get started. And I'm sorry, I apologize deeply for that because that's kind of embarrassing. Okay, come on, let's get busy. Okay, so I got about a tablespoon of oil in my pan. So I'm going to start heating that up. I got 2 cups of water in this pan back here. I'm just making instant mashed potatoes today, guys. So let me tell you a little bit about what was on the ending of that video. One, I asked you guys what you would like to see on this channel for this coming year. What kind of dishes you would like to see me cook and stuff like that. Another thing that was on there was I asked you what your goals were for 2026. And then I told you some of my goals. My goals are, 1, to make better videos. 2, to grow my channel. 3, to hopefully have a website up and running this year. And also to possibly have a cookbook ready and some merchandise ready. Part of that all depends on my upcoming birthday, because my cousin informed me that if she gets as big as bonus as she thinks she is, that she plans on buying me either a laptop or a computer. So we have to wait. She's going to buy it for me for my birthday. So, and my birthday is on the 19th of January, so we'll just wait and see what happens there. Because I can't write a cookbook on my phone. I can't run a website from my phone. I can't design merchandise from my phone. So I definitely have to have one or the other to be able to do all this. But those are my goals for 2026. Now I put the sausage and some sliced onion in here. And we're just going to do this until the sausage starts to brown a little bit. And then we'll add the sauerkraut. But that's what my goals are, is to focus on this YouTube channel, to make it grow, and to have product that I can be proud of. Now, one thing I can say is my cousin Monica is the one that is possibly going to buy the computer or laptop. My cousin Mallory, which is Monica's sister, is helping with the design of the logo and stuff for the merchandise. And then what I'm going to do is, because we got a couple local small businesses that do t-shirts right here in Jackson, Ohio. So I'm going to reach out to them once I get everything set up and see what we can do with making t-shirts and maybe aprons and stuff like that. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you're thinking, what you think of my goals for 2026. Would you all be interested in any of that, or not? And no, I did not use the whole bag of sauerkraut. I will put the rest of that in a dish and put it in the refrigerator. So now we're just going to let this simmer for the sauerkraut to heat up and the sausage to get infused. And everything just to Mary. So I will bring you guys back as soon as it's done. Okay, guys, it's done. It's on my plate. This is what it looks like. We got smoked sausage and kraut with onion and instant mashed potatoes. So let's give it a try. Okay, guys, so I have my diet ski. If you're from around here, you know what ski is. I have my diet ski to drink. Now we got the cabbage and the sausage. Hot. That sauerkraut, because it's sauerkraut and sausage, not cabbage and sausage. That sauerkraut picked up the flavor of the smoked sausage, and the smoked sausage picked up the flavor of the sauerkraut. It's really good. I bought the Idaho loaded instant mashed potatoes. And of course I had to put some butter on them. And I salt and peppered them. Those are good too. And I'm not a big fan of instant mashed potatoes. So what is your New Year's dinner? Like, my family does pork and kraut. I know some people do black-eyed peas. So from where you're from, what do you eat on New Year's? Leave me a comment below and let me know. I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share the video. If you want, you can become a channel member by hitting that join button. If you would like to help support the channel, there's a link to mine and Buddy's Amazon wish list and our PayPal account in the description box below this recipe. And also, if you haven't noticed, in the description box, the very first thing I do is put a thought for today. I hope you guys have been reading those, because some of those are very interesting. So if you haven't, check them out. Even if you don't watch the whole video, because I know nobody watches the whole video. The analog tells me, you know, you guys only watch maybe 3 to 5 minutes of my videos, but that's okay. Remember, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.